So I've taken the base out of the oven and pretty much exposed the burner. It all seems to look visually okay. So I'm going to now light the burner. Okay, it seems to have lit okay. The flames are burning blue. The oven is cold and everything's reasonably stable there. Now I'm going to shut the door. The oven setting is currently on number 2, so I'm just going to shut the door and just watch to see what happens to the flames. And under normal circumstances the flames start to become very unstable. On the right hand side, there we go, it's starting. There we go. The left hand side remains okay, but the right hand side is very unstable. And it gets worse and worse and worse. If I open the door, the flames stabilize again and they remain stable. Let's shut the door, and they remain stable for a little while. So it looks to me that there's some sort of ventilation stroke combustion issue happening here. Maybe too much gas, and the gas just simply can't burn because there's not enough oxygen, and flames are becoming unstable. And about 50% of the time the flames become so unstable, particularly on the right hand side that we're looking at, that the whole thing goes out eventually. But let's just watch. And as far as I can see, this is exactly what happens with the heater plate on the bottom of the oven. It's just I can now see all of this a lot better with the plate removed. Oh, there, perhaps. I'm absolutely sure it shouldn't burn like that. I haven't started the oven from cold. The oven was on for a few minutes a while back, but you can see that the flames just are not stable there. Well, let's just open the door again and see how the flames stabilize once again. And it doesn't seem to make too much difference. I've turned the oven at this point anyway, turn right up to 6, turn it down to 2, it's okay, turn it down to 1. It's on some sort of simmer setting, seems to be okay. And if we just watched on the simmer setting, now that the oven's warmed up inside, it seems to be very stable there. Can't see any problems with it. I'll turn it up to 3 again. 2. See what happens. The oven's not fully up to temperature yet, but it's certainly warm inside now. But you can start to see the flame instability again. And as I say, usually when I light the oven from being totally cold, that instability will cause the thermocouple to cool down and switch the oven off. And this happens on a fairly regular basis if starting from cold.